Hey, what's up, boys and girls? Are you ready for a little adventure?
Welcome to my crib, welcome to my garage, welcome to my world. As you can see, I have two bikes. This one's nearly ready. This close, guys.
And there is my little beast. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, we're going for a little trip, little camping trip actually. The weather is complete shit. Let's be honest. It's gonna be raining all day long, today and tomorrow. Oh, who gives a shit? Let's go!
Alright, what's up, people?
Alright, I messed up. I really messed up this time. I broke my mic adapter, so I have no microphone, and half of the videos I just had to throw out, so I'm really sorry guys, but next time I'm definitely gonna have my microphone. I was trying to speak as loud as I can, but that obviously didn't work out, as you can hear. But well, it is what it is, I guess. Still, there's gonna be plenty of nice views, some camping, some cooking, some wild swimming and all that stuff, so sit back, relax and enjoy.
Look at these two guys. My buddy, my friend, my pal. Yeah guys, so as you can see, I have completely different camera angle now. There was no chance of mounting my GoPro in front of my helmet. I have no idea how it looks like. I hope it's alright. And I hope you can hear me as well, at least a little bit.
Alright people, first we were thinking about finding a place in the woods for a camp, but then we saw this beautiful lake. Look at this, and this is it. This is our place for the night. There's gonna be bikes later on. Bikes are over there at the moment. We're gonna wait till it's gonna get dark, you know. We're gonna set up our tent over here. Bike's gonna be there. We're gonna go for a little swim. That's it. Enjoy the view.
Akmeņu slidīgi. Slidīgu nos. Fucking hell.
Jāiet kedās.
Nu, toši, ja būtu kēdes, vajadzētu iet kedās. Ah. Yes! Yes, Matos!
Alright people, this is it. It's time to go to bed. Our camping spot. One of the best camping spots ever. Beautiful, nice and peaceful. Two guys in one tent. Beautiful. Alright boys and girls, see you tomorrow. Good morning people! It's raining, finally it's raining. Oh.